Hi everyone, so today we're going to move away from geometry and into algebra. We're going to start with learning or reviewing what exponents are. So this correlates with lesson 4.1. We're going to be working on exponents, and then for today this is page 29 for me. And then I believe today is May 11th. Okay, so if I were to write 2 to the 4th power, the 4 here is called an exponent, and the exponent of a number says how many to use the number in multiplication. So here, 2 to the 4th power does not mean 2 times 4. It means 4 2's being multiplied together. So here we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So again, this number here tells you how many of these are being multiplied together. It is not 2 times 4. So here we get 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, so 2 to the 4th power is going to equal 16. Okay, so let's do some practice going from here to writing it out to solving. And let's start with 5 to the 3rd power. So this does not say 5 times 3. The answer is not 15. It is 3 5's being multiplied together. So we get 5 times 5 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25. 25 times 5 is 125. Okay, let's say I had 1 to the 4th power. So this means 4 1's being multiplied together. So I have 1 times 1 times 1 times 1, which is going to equal 1. Okay, let's say I have 0 to the 5th power. So this is 5 zeros. I think you could probably already know what the answer to this is, but 5 zeros being multiplied together. As we know, 0 times anything is 0, so I get 0 as my answer. And then let's do a couple of funky ones. I think if I were to give you this, you could probably figure it out, or this, any of these weird examples. But let's say that I gave you, let's do 6 to the 1st power. So this one's kind of funky because it says 1 6 being multiplied. So this is all it would look like. It's just 6. So this, again, it tells you how many of this number exists. And then there's multiplication. But here, since there's only one of them, it's just 6. Okay, the other funky one is anything to the 0 power. And if you want to watch a video about this, there are many videos out there on why this is true. But any number to the 0 power is 1. And that is what it becomes. Okay, so let's now work through some examples of going from this direction to this direction. So let's say that I gave you 4 times 4 times 4, and I said rewrite this using exponents. So here we have 3 4's being multiplied together. So 4 is the number that's being multiplied. 3 is how many of them exist. Say I had 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So there are 2's being multiplied, and there are, I believe, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. So this says that there are 6 2's being multiplied together. And then let's do one more. do an easy one. 1 times 1. So there are 2 1s. So I get 1 squared. Okay. So that is how you go from the extended form to exponent form, and then here from exponent form to the answer. That is it.